Now this is my video number 3. In this video I'm going to take exercise 4.2. The very first question I've taken. The question is, give first the step you will use to separate the variable and then solve it. Means this is the equation I've taken. We have to first tell you the step that we will use to separate the variable. See, whenever you just asked to solve the equation means to find out the unknown part, that is x. Here there is an unknown, the value of this is not known. So whenever you have to find out any variable, you have to make it alone, उसे अकेला करना पड़ता है. See here -1 is with this, so we have to remove this -1 from this side. So what you will do, see this is what -1, so I'll add 1 here, both the sides. Okay, so you can write here 0 plus 1, so we can write adding 1 on both the sides, adding 1 on both the sides. When you will add it now, see this is going to cancel each other. This is what x, this will be what 0, so x plus 0 is 0 x. Now 0 plus 1 is 1. Now x is left alone and this is your value, so the value of x is 1. Let's take one more question. Let's take the D part. Okay, here it is x plus 6 is equals to 2. Now I have to remove this 6 in order to get it, make it alone. So how will you do it? What is the sign of the 6? Is plus. So I'll subtract 6 from both the sides, from this and this side. So we can write subtract 6 from both the sides, from both the subtract 6 from both the sides. See, this is going to cancel. 2 minus 6 will be what? -4. X is left here, so the answer of value of x is -4. Now let's take the second question. Okay, second question is also same as second. First part I'm taking, that is 3l is equals to 42. In this question I have to give the first step to separate the variable and then solve the equation. Now I have to separate this L. Here I have to find out the value of L. So make it alone. So I have to remove this 3. How 3 is connected with L? With multiplication sign. Okay, the opposite of multiplication is division. So divide both the sides by 3. So divide both the sides by 3. So we can say that dividing both sides, I'm writing BS for in place of both sides. Divide both sides by 3. So this 3 is going to cancel each other, and this will be what? 1, and this will be 14. So L is equals to 14 is the solution. Okay, now question, second G part. In this I have to find out the value of A. So I have to remove 5. How 5 is connected with A? Is by division. So we'll multiply both the sides by 5. So multiply both sides by 5. Now this is going to cancel each other. A, this 5 1 times, 5 3 times. So A multiply 1 A, 7 into 1 7, and this is the 3. So this is the value of x. Now let's do question number 3, third A part. Same thing we have to do. The question is 3n minus 2 is equals to 46. Okay, now I have to make this 9 alone. Okay, sorry, n alone. So I have to remove this 2 and 3, but step by step. First I'll remove this 2 minus 2. So 3 and written like this minus 2, so I'll take plus 2 here, both the sides. Okay, you can write of your own. Now this 2 and 2 go to cancel each other. Now it will be what, 3 and 46 plus 2 is what, 48. Now it's time to remove 3. So 3 is connected with multiplication with n, 3n, so we'll divide by 3 both the sides. Now n is equals to, divide this 3, 16. So n is equals to 16 is your value. Now let's do third C part. It is given 20p by 3, 40. Okay, I have to remove p. So let's remove 20 here. So in multiplication, so we'll divide. So p, 20p, 3 divided by divide means it will be put in the denominator, 20 here also. Now this 20 going to cancel each other. This will go 2 times. Now p is 3, 2. Now it's time to remove 3. 3 is related with division, so we'll multiply both the sides by 3. Remember, you have to do both the things same in both the sides. If you're multiplying, you have to multiply both the sides. 6. So your answer is 6. Now fourth question. In this question we have to solve the equation. Okay, let's take one question like B. Here I'm taking is 10p plus 10 is equals to 100. Okay, see, you can, to solve this now, you can apply the method which I have done in question number 3, 2 and 1. Okay, I'll tell you one more method which is known as transposition method. Okay, so in this method we will transpose the thing. The concept is same. I have to make this p alone, इसे अकेला करना है. So I'll remove these 10 and this 10 one by one. So first remove this 10 which is attached with plus sign. Keep this 10p here only. I'm going to remove this here. Okay, so now this 100 will be in its position. Only this 10 is removed. What is the sign of this 10? Minus. When it will go this side now, it will become, sorry, it is plus, it will go and become minus. Now solve this. It will give you 90. Now 10p is equals to 90. Now I have to remove this 10 now. Now when 10 is connected with the multiplication sign, so when it will go, it will divide on the other side, means 90 divided by 10. So when you will solve it, you will get 9. So p is equals to 9. Now E part, I have to remove p. So let's remove this 4. 4 is connected with division here, so when it will go that side, it will multiply with 6. Okay, that is, you, or we can say that it is in a denominator. When it will go this side, it will become numerator, so it is multiplied with the 6. Okay, if you want to multiply, or we can leave it here only. Now p, I have to remove 3. When 3 will go this side, it is multiplying, so it will go this side to divide, that is in denominator part. Now this 3 1, 3 2 times, now it is 8. So p is the p value of is 8. Now let's start 4.3, and the first question is to solve the equation. Again the same approach, means I have to find out the value of y. So in order to find out this, I have to make it alone. See, the thing which is attached with this will be removed step by step. Let's remove this 5 by 2 first. See, this 5 by 2 will come to this side. Okay, mean this side. 2 will be in its position. 37 by 2 will also be in its position. The only thing that will be shifted is this 5 by 2. It is shifted like this. This plus become minus. Okay, now let's solve this. LCM will be 2. It is 37 minus 5. it will give you 32 by 2. This is 2y. Now it's time to remove y. Now how 2 is connected with y? Multiplication. So when it will go, it will divide. This. Divide means in the denominator. Now solve this. 2 1 time, 2 16 times, 2 1 times, 2 8 times. So y is 8. This is your answer. So y is equals to 8. Now B. First B part. 5t plus 28 is equals to 10. Again the same approach. This 28 will go this side. Now 10 minus 28. Remember, I have shifted this 28, not 10. So the sign of this 28 will be changed, not 10. So 10 will go this side, it will become minus. When you will solve this, it will become minus 18. This is 5t. Now t is equals to minus 18 by 5. This is your answer. Now J. 2b upon 3. This 5 is shifted this side. So this minus, it will become plus 8. 2b upon 3. Now let's remove 2. So b by 3, 8. This is 2 is multiplied, it will go here, divide. Now this 2 1 time, 2 4 times. Now b upon 3 is equals to 4. Now it's time to remove this 3. So b, 3 is in division, that is in denominator, it will go that side and take the position of numerator, that is it will multiply t. So b is equals to 12. This is your answer. Now second question. Again in this I have to solve it. Here the variable is n. Now I have to solve this. Okay, see this 3 and the bracket, then n minus 5. So according to the BODMAS rule, we have to solve the bracket first of all. Here it is n, it is a variable, and this is 5. So we cannot solve this. You cannot solve the n minus 5. So the only thing which is left is to multiply this thing. Now this 3 is multiplied with this whole thing. That is, this 3 is going to multiply with n, that is 3n. Now this 3 will go to multiply with this minus 5 also. Now 3 minus 5 will be what? Minus 15. And this 20 will 1. Now I have to remove this this 15. So 3n 21. This 15 will go this side, become plus. Now this is 36 n. Now to remove n, we have to divide n. When you will solve it, you will get 12. Now D part, same approach, multiply this minus 4 with this 2. So it will give you what? Minus 8. This minus 4 is going to multiply with x plus x. So it will give you minus 4x. Now 8. Now 8 will go this side, means minus 4x will be in its position. This 8 is in position. Now this 8 will go this side and it will become plus 16. This is 4x. Now to find out x, so remove this minus 4 this side. Now when you will solve it, it will be minus 1 and this is 4. Now this is what? Minus 1 upon 4. We can write this upside. So it is minus 4 upon 1. Or we can simply write minus 4. So minus 4 is the answer. Now third C part I have taken. I am taking those questions which are a little difficult. So I have to find out this. Okay, this 4 is here. So remove this. Now 16 and this will go this side, it become minus. Okay, now the 3t plus 2 will be left here. Now it is 12. 3. Now do one thing, you multiply this 3 with these things, t plus 2, so 3 multiplied with t, 3t, then plus 3 to 6. Okay, now bring this 6 here, so 12 minus 6, it will 6. Now 3 is multiplying, it will go this side to divide, same as question number 2. Now question of 4. In this fourth A part, it is given to construct 3 equations. It is equations, okay, I've written in short. Starting with x is equals to 2. See, what is the meaning of starting with x is equals to 2? That is, this should be the solution. Means the equation I need for which the solution is this. Okay, so we can take anything here. First equation for this is, like if you are taking like x plus 5. Okay, now you put 2 here. So 2 plus 5, it is 7. So this is your one equation. We can take another one. We can take like the 2x. You can take up anything of your. Let's take minus 6. Okay. Now put 2 here. 2 to 4. 4 minus 6 minus 2. Yes. So likewise we can make the third also. Let's take like we can take x minus 6. Now put 2 here. 2 minus 6 is minus 4. So with this we able to make 3 equations like this. Likewise you can do question number 4th B part also.